Good evening, friends. I think maybe it's still good afternoon. Well, it was a fairly solid afternoon of declines. Now, I'm not showing you any charts, etc., because if you ask me, charts right now are kind of irrelevant. The sort of fear that you have seen in the market, I don't think any charts can predict what will happen next. What I am giving you is my opinion only. In my opinion, the market often does not react to the same thing twice. Yes, this is you know, a second wave, you can call it. But last time, we didn't know what was going on. We didn't know how many people would die. We had, way poor medical facilities than we have now. We have a good grip on what this virus is about. Yesterday, I had gone for a meal with my wife, and the restaurant was full. So, this is just a reminder that don't go out on a bench. People think that if you have your mask on and if you are sitting with family, COVID cannot happen to you. I think all governments now realize that the cost of a strict lockdown is way higher than any cost that COVID could impose. So, my opinion, and it is my opinion, please don't hold me to it, that this is a knee jerk one off reaction, and maybe today, tonight, the Dow, etc., do not fall all that much. Yes, we will have to live with restrictions, and that will hurt, the travel and the leisure and the hotel type of businesses. But I think by and large, people have come to terms with COVID. Yes, there is a vulnerable section which is the elderly. I think they were taking precautions even earlier. And with the vaccine coming in, at least it tries to control some form of COVID. So, my sense is that, maybe markets are overdoing it a bit. They needed a reason to correct, and they are getting that reason. See what will happen if you get this big COVID strain coming in, more money will be printed. The more money that is printed, the higher the stock prices will go. So, if anybody thinks that we'll have a March style correction, I think that's overdoing a bit. And overall, I would think that this sort of a decline should be bought, and at some point, we will make fresh highs because markets are run by liquidity, and this sort of fear will make all the weak hands get out. And I would think stronger players would have this sense that science finally will be able to triumph over all of these viruses, etc. You cannot go out on a bench, but I think mostly people have learned to live with COVID. So, that being said, I would be keenly watching what happens in the US. It is likely that the US markets don't behave as poorly as Europe or as India, and maybe we do get a recovery as early as tomorrow. So that would be it for this little video on my opinion, and let's see. All the best to everybody, and I would think that Yes, a few flights may be diverted, etc. But are we going back to a March style lockdown? That I'm not too sure of. So let's see how the markets deal with this sort of fear, whether it gets bought or this ends up into a larger correction. We'll know tomorrow. Take care and have a good night.